You're alive now.
Ogawa. Finally. Oga.
Thank you for having me, sir. Thank you. Good to have you here in Nigeria.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
May
God bless you. And everything here on that show, may God bless you. Anything you're about to find, English says what doing at all is what doing. Keep doing what you are doing, regardless of what any other person has to say. Yours is yours. But we are your contribution to the society, either positive or negative. What you are doing, my own is finer than yours. Be a toy or something not going to or a finer duty. But the beauty of it is everything we put under God. Anything if you don't want to see, I have way. God will be with you at all time. And we're enjoying your program. I laugh so much. Sometimes I will be on, you don't know I'm on. I'm always on, but you never knew sometimes that I'm on. I have my whole program here. But I'm one of your great fans.
Oh, I'm happy to hear this. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. And the question
Fans K1.
Yeah. How do you feel at every of your program? How do you feel considering the level that program goes sometimes? It goes so erratic and it goes so high. What feedback do you give to yourself from yourself? Talk less of feedback among you. What do you
like the program is Yinka TNT. When I'm on the program, I'm Yinka TNT. When I'm outside the program, I'm Olori.
No, that's
Yinka. When I'm outside the program,
same thing goes for me.
So
when I'm on stage.
I feel so comfortable because I know I'm impacting and I know I'm helping a lot of people. And the feedback I get from people makes me happy.
That's cool.
You know, because when people reach out to me, you see some people calling me, crying. They want to talk to me. They want to share their problems with me.
Answer my question already.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you for having me and thank you for the hospitality. I really enjoy everything.
Because you are a very special person. So we owe you all that.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Idea Koko. Nigeria Gogo. Nigeria Gogo.
If you don't kill your infants,
Nigeria Gogo.
we're all one. One on one. Okay, God bless your home. God bless everything about you. Keep supporting TNT. She's our person, and it's our duty to support her. She goes higher and higher every day. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
My brother, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for having me. Thank you. Wọ́n ti bà mí jẹ́, K1 ti bà mí jẹ́. Wọ́n ti spoil me. Àwọn Mr. and Mrs. Masha, wọ́n ti spoil me lẹ́yìn. Mo believe irú wọn náà.
Mo irú ẹ̀rí òyìnbó.
Mo believe irú wọn náà.
Èmi mo sọ mo irú ẹ̀rí first time ni o.
Hospitality tó fún mi, mo believe irú welcome tó fún mi. Ẹ bá ń dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. Èmi náà rè o. Ẹ ṣé gan sa o.
Kábíyèsí olórí ọmọ ọba.
Olórí ọmọ ọba. Kábíyèsí o. Ẹ ṣé gan o. Mo dúpẹ́ fún yín. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Mrs. Masha náà. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate you. Thank you. Mo dúpẹ́ o. Ẹ ṣé gan sa. Ẹ ṣé gan. Thank you. Wow, this is wow. This is wow. Wow, this is wow.
It's wellness, complete wellness. You can be in the water, you do your water therapy, you do everything here, you relax. That's what we do here. And we have very exquisite room. We have same room style. We are still expanding. We are still expanding, of course.
Ooh.
But we still expanding. We have the phase 2. We expand the series.
What do you intend to have there?
That's the same thing that we have here. Everything is just about therapy. We'll come here, sorry.
This is massive. Massive.
It's all about
Like a casino.
like a lounge. It's a lounge. Lounge for people that you can be playing games. I have a casino under construction. Same thing we have down here. We have up. We have pavilion up there. We have rooms. I'll show you our specification of the rooms. We have kitchen that takes care of the pool area. We have different lounge. We have different lounge for people. Who's there? Shaya. Who are you? Come. Where Shaya for me go open room if you want. Àti bí báyìí, go down. Whoever at the front office, go and Shibi.
Operation failed.
They'll bring the key. So, this is what we have here. It's a full therapy.
My next trip, I'll come here.
You'll be treated, you'll be given the first class
Hey!
treatment. We have beautiful machines, and the machines that can deal with issue.
That means you're going to host me.
Oh yes, we'll host you here. Even though what we run here, we do membership only.
Okay.
Strictly membership. We're not doing
No, it's too big to do for general people.
inside here. I have MRI, I have CT scan, I have ultrasound, I have various machines, I have mammogram machine, I have everything.
Do you have people that run it for you, like specialists?
I have specialists that I got. I brought a lot of specialists from outside the country, from London.
So how expensive is your MRI?
What we do here, don't forget I said we run only private.
Right. Oh, it's
Membership.
part of membership.
Members, when you're a member, so we have a prices that ranges from 25 million to 30 million, 40 million annually. Free food, free accommodation, free treatment, free everything.
Oh,
It's strictly for members.
it's big. It's big.
Strictly for members. I want them to come out open so can they buy it by them. Some of them are seeing.
Oh, wow.
Station ṣe wà lẹ́yìn o.
Wọ́n sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n ní the same thing.
Ibẹ̀ láti ru àmàlà jẹ gbogbo ẹ̀ lọ.
Ṣé ibi báyìí láti ibi báyìí wọ́n lè
Ẹ̀nà
máa
jẹ́ ẹ̀nà wà náà. Géètì ẹ̀nà.
Àbí ìlú mọ̀ sí. We have extension.
Òun náà dẹ̀ big báyìí.
Bó ṣe rí náà ni.
Ẹ̀nà fine.
Fẹ́kẹ̀ wo owó yàrá wa ni.
User 01. Welcome home.
This is a prototype of our rooms.
Okay.
Gbogbo room wa ṣe rí rẹ̀.
Oh. That's the toilet.
Yeah, that's the toilet. That's the prototype of it. That is strictly
Membership. Members. Strictly members. I'm going to become member.
Okay, ṣe mẹ́ta wọ́n náà ti wọ́n mẹ́ta báyìí.
Abi?
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
From leverage. What?
Sorry, sir.
This is my studio. You are going to share live streaming. I did one just recently. Okay. Bunch of live streaming. You are going to perform to the world. I do shoutouts and performances and everything. That's my screen. Screen across that we build to the world. And I have my makeup studio and salon. Hello.
Yes,
Nothing wrong with it.
oh, it's so nice.
This is my makeup. And this is my running salon. This is my salon.
Wow. This is wow. This is wow. I don't even know what to say again. Wow. God bless you, sir.
Ori Kabani.
Oh.
Ori Kanka. I want atmosphere where you are here as a member. You're free. Since you are not paying, as a member, you're just walking in here.
I'm doing
You enjoy yourself.
I really do appreciate you. And I'm not going to take your love for granted. Thank you so much.
The end of the street everywhere, we look around us there. Over here, we look at our 3 streets away from you. Don't reach you, look out. That's our third phase one. Second phase one. They could be alone. Every phase.
Amém, amém, amém. Amém.
Àfọ́dà Azizo, bàbá mi wọnú ìkọ́nù bẹ́ẹ̀ ní sítúrú ẹ̀kọ́ wo kọ́kọ́rọ́